Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm excited for today's video because we are talking only about eye makeup. I received this PR package from L'Oreal. This is from L'Oreal Switzerland and this is their Colour Queen oil eyeshadows. Now they have a lot of colors to choose from. I think it goes until 20 or 24 shades, and I have received 9 of this recent Colour Queen oil shadows. This is what the PR box looks like. It's like very holographic. Be a Queen written on top. These are the beautiful 9 eyeshadows that they sent me. They retail, I think, here in Switzerland for 9 or 10 francs depending on where you buy it from. They have different finishes when it comes to these eyeshadows. I have with me 5 matte shades. So the first row and these two, these are the matte shades. Then I have 1 satin and I have 3 foil finishes. So these are the 3 variants that these oil eyeshadows come in. We are going to swatch each color that I've received, and also I'm going to show you a day look, and this is of course the night look. So I wanted to show you all 2 different looks that you all can create with these eyeshadows. Now I know basically when L'Oreal came up with this, they were advertising these to be like the Colour Queen, saying that, you know, this is like you just need 1 eyeshadow and you can create the entire look. If you take any of these colors, be it something which is as bright as this or something which is as neutral as this, when you use these eyeshadows on your finger or with the brush all over your eyelid, you don't need anything else. I wanted you guys to know that you can always mix and match and create your own eye makeup look. You don't need an entire palette. You can just go and buy 2 shades or 3 shades and really create different eye looks with these eyeshadows. It comes in a square format. It's not a round eyeshadow pot, which usually makeup brands do when they launch their single eyeshadow. It's a plastic packaging. You can open it. The top is transparent. Here is your eyeshadow, and the surrounding area around the main color or the pan is holographic, and I think that's why they came up with the holographic PR packaging. I did notice that few of my shades have been damaged in transit, especially this one, which is like Worth It. It's really damaged and I have like specks of eyeshadow falling all over the place. So let's start with this only satin shade that I have. This is called Excessive. It's like a very yellowish gold color. Now the satin finish is something different because it's like a hybrid between the matte and the foil, which is of course the name itself suggests very metallic. Now this is, I would say, very buttery, very smooth to apply. This is more like a cool gold color. Moving on to matte, Unsurpassed. This is like a very skin toned color, so this could be something to just warm up the eyes, the base, and it's gonna be like very light on my skin, very light salmon color. The next matte color that we have is called Force, and this is a gorgeous brown color, something which I would say is more like a neutral brown, and this is what the shade looks like. It's not your mocha brown, and at the same time it's not your, it's like a very nude brown color. This shade here, Flaming, which is the next matte shade, is my favorite. I mean, I'm waiting for fall just because I want to use this color. It's a gorgeous match between a pink and like a salmon pink and peach and orange. I just don't know how to describe this color. This is gonna flatter so many skin tones. The next matte shade that we have is called Ruler, and this is a very beautiful pink color, and this is more like a pink reddish color, so it's again something which is fall, wintry, a very bubbly color. Look at that. It's got like the right hint of fuchsia tones or the right amount of like blue undertones, which makes it so vibrant. The last matte shade that we have is called Worth It. A gorgeous royal blue color, out and out. Love this color so much. A very festive color somewhere around the Christmas, New Year. You guys need this. Let's swatch the 3 foil shades that we have. I'm gonna start with the lightest one, which is Extra. Now this is more of a champagne gold color that we have here, and these foil colors, these metallic ones, they apply so beautifully. The next shade that I have is again one of my favorite. This is called Bravery, and I love this color because it's more like a copper gold color right over here. And I just love this shade because it's so universal. Shades like these never go out of style. And the last foil shade that I have is called Charmer, which I have applied on my eyes. This is the most beautiful green color out there. My sister-in-law has eyed this shade, so this is going to go to her. Just look at that green color, like it's so beautiful. Now I'm going to show you guys how to create a day makeup look and this night makeup look using these oil eyeshadows. So I'm going to start with this shade right here, which is called Force. I'm going to take that on a large brush and I'm just going to warm my eyes up. There's not too much of fallout with this one, and because it's more matte, this could also be one of these shades that you just use like every day. Now this is going to be more on my crease area. I'm going into the shade which is like a green color, and this is called Charmer. It's an oil eyeshadow, so you can definitely use your fingers and then the color payoff is very good. But I'm going to start with a flat top brush first, and this does pick up insane amount of product. I think this is just like a very regular drugstore eyeshadow brush that I had. So you can intensify it much more if you use your fingers directly. So I think I've roughly placed the green color Charmer wherever I wanted it to be. I'm going to take this matte color again. This is called Worth It, and I'm going to take that on another blending brush, and I'm going to apply this on the outer corner of my eyes. This just gives that little pop of blue and not being too over the top. I'm gonna go back to the shade Charmer, and now I'm gonna pick it up on my fingertip. That's like a lot of product. And now I'm going to pat it on my eyelids directly, because we've done the blending, we've done the transition and everything. Now this time I'm keeping it more from the inner corner to the center, but not going too much on the outer corner, just like that. Now I'm going to take a flat top brush and I'm going back to the shade Worth It, which is this brilliant blue color. This is like a royal blue color, and I'm going to apply this color on the lower lash line. So this is the brush that I used with the green color, and I don't mind using the same one because it gives like that hint of green, but then I want the blue to be the main color showing up. So I'm just going a little bit downward on the lower area. Now I'm going to take this shade called Extra, which is a foil finish, and I'm going to use that as a highlight. I'm using a clean brush here and just tapping off the excess. This shade is a little bit flaky, so be careful if you're using it as a highlight. And I'm just going to apply that below my brow bone. So since we are doing like this L'Oreal eyeshadows review, I thought to finish this look I'm gonna use their new Bambi Eye Mascara. This is like my daily wear mascara because it just gives you like these wide open eyes. So this is the night look. This is what this eye makeup looks like. So I'm going to take the shade Flaming, which is like the matte range. I'm going to take a large fluffy brush. I must say that these colors are easy to blend even though it's like such a deep color. I'm going to take this much more precise brush and I'm going to go into the shade Ruler, which is again matte. And my idea is to just put that on the outer corner just to give that little bit of pop of that color, but not too much. So just placing it there and blending it out. And finally, to finish the look, I'm so excited to do this. I'm using the shade Bravery, which is a foil shade. I'm gonna first actually try with a flat brush here just to see the color payoff. Just trying to pack it inside the inner corner and dragging it a little bit outside. Now I want to go in with my finger, the same shade. I like a hint of color, like of glitter or something, just on the center of my eyelid, like just where the eyeball is, if I'm just looking straight. So I'm gonna take this shade Extra. I'm gonna take this shade again, which is called Flaming, and I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna finish the look with some Bambi Eye Mascara. So that is it. That's the day sort of a makeup look with these eyeshadows. I absolutely love it. I think this could be like a very fall kind of a eye makeup look. So guys, that's all about the L'Oreal Colour Queen eyeshadows, the oil eyeshadows from L'Oreal. I love the way they apply. They don't have a lot of fallout. It's simple. If you're a beginner in makeup, just get one. Get hold of any of the shades that you feel comfortable with. Use your fingers, apply it all over your eyelids. Or if you want to try something new and something more with just these singles, then you can create the looks that I showed you guys today. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come up with a new video. I'm sending you lots of love, and I'm gonna see you all soon with a new video. Bye!